Good afternoon, all, and I'm very happy to be here on this prestigious platform. And thank you for inviting me to share the knowledge which I have acquired. It is from Vedas, from Atharva Veda, and it has been consolidated by Sri Bharatiya Krishna Tirtha Maharaj in 16 volumes. But unfortunately, all the volumes were something destroyed, and only one is there, and it is the base of all the studies still carried out all over the world. Okay, so I'm first of all, I request you all to be ready with a pen and a paper or pencil and a book. Okay, so that you can do the calculations as I say. And one main, everyone have one doubt about Vedic maths and abacus. Always, everyone asks me what is the difference. Abacus is mainly a Chinese system, and it is useful for kids from till 4th standard mostly. It is mainly on concentration, mainly to improve the concentration of kids and to improve their memory. But on personal trend, I always feel Vedic math is more useful because it has the practical use, whatever be the age you are in. Whenever when you reach all higher levels of studies, whatever be the field, all the exams, all competitive exams, everywhere, you will have this arithmetic section. And this Vedic maths will definitely help you all these techniques, small techniques. It will definitely help you to crack many questions. It is not about cracking some puzzles or like that. It is actually saving the time. You are finding shortcuts to solve some arithmetic problems so that your time will be solved in main competitive exams. In competitive exam, it is mainly time saving is very important, right? We have to solve a lot of questions in a very short time, and in this during this time, Vedic maths comes to help you a lot in arithmetic section. In abacus is only till 4, and for Vedic maths, it is always better to learn from 5th standard, because kids should be whoever starts studying Vedic. He or she should be thorough with all the numbers, multiplication tables, and division. That is the basic thing. So it is advisable for all the kids from 5th standard and above. Okay. I will. It is a very vast subject, and I'm going to just present 8 or 9 important topics, which will definitely help you. On going back, it will definitely help you in your mathematics. Okay, so I will start initially with the basic and easiest of the multiplication, that is multiplication by 11. Okay, I will only when you do the multiplication or whatever the techniques I tell in your traditional way, and then try with our Vedic, only then the speed or the how much time you can save will be, you will note that difference. Okay. So let me start with multiplication by 11. Base will be 10. It is the multiple of 10, which is close to 11. So it is base is 10. Okay. So when I say 23 into 11, okay, here we are not doing any multiplication. You can just see the magic. Actually, we are just putting 1 0 and 1 0 here, because 10 has only 1 0. Okay. So we will put 1 0 here and 1 0 here. Now how many digits have 10? 10 have only 2 digits. That is a pair. So we will start adding numbers from our right to left in group of 2. Why group of 2? Because 10 has only 2 digits. Okay, 10 has only 2 digits. So we will take numbers in pairs and add from our right to left. So what will be the first pair? 0 and 3. So 0 plus 3 gives you 3. So 0, so 0, the roll of 0 is over. So we will cut off 0. Then the next pair is 3 and 2. That is 3 plus 2 gives you 5. Okay, now 3's roll is over. Now 2 plus 0 gives you, see, in a single line, you are getting the answer as 253. There is, explain another important thing is squares. You all need squares. Squares, in all the problems, most of the classes it will be useful. I am taking a smaller number, 11 square. You know what is 11 square? Plus 121. But how we are going to do easily? I will explain. 11 means multiple, which is the base here. Multiple of 10 is 10. Does it not? 10 is the base closer to 11 here. So we have 11 And what is 11? 10 plus 1 is 11. Is it not? It is plus 1 above 10. So plus 1, and we will, this one, square of 1 we will write here. So it becomes 1, 2, 1. See? I will show one more. When I write 12 square, 12 is plus 2 above 10, and this square of 2 we will write here. So it is 144. Very vast topic, and I just selected some of very few which will definitely help you in your arithmetics, and in the long run it will be very useful. I am very sure about that. Just be friendly with all the numbers from 1 to 9. Okay, just be friendly with 1 to 9, and they will help you a lot. Okay.